What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vintage Air. I'm Billy. Today, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about insulating your vehicle. All right. So most of the time, we go with a peel and stick kind. That's depending on your application, along the firewall, your kick panel, or maybe your floorboard. That works excellent, not a problem. But in a more rugged kind of vehicle like this, we're gonna actually use a ceramic coating. This is brought to you by Lizard Skin here. You can get this applicator with the gun, the paddle, and all that, different nozzles, and our 2-gallon can right here that'll probably be good for what you need it for. Now, this stuff actually takes about 15 degrees of heat out of your vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna explain to you how to go ahead and tape off your vehicle. You do not want this stuff to get on anything. Go ahead and tape it up, make sure it's covered, because once it's dry, that's it. You can paint, you can do whatever you want after that. First coat we're gonna go with is gonna be a light coat. Second coat is gonna come in a little heavier. And like I said, this is gonna be a big difference on your vehicle as far as heat and max performance of our AC unit. So let me get some PPE and I'm gonna start spraying. Okay, before we start, we went ahead and degreased the entire floor pan here and dash area, firewall, and taped up everything that we need to tape up that we don't want to get this stuff on. If you got threads, you want to cover up the threads and make sure that they're still going to be good for reinstallation. Also, this stuff is water soluble, so as long as you catch it before it dries, you're good to go. Usually I keep a bucket of water on the side in case I need some, I can wash it off. Once it dries, you're out of luck. You're going to need a hammer and chisel to get this stuff off. So let's get ready and start spraying. All right, guys, we went ahead and did our second coat on our Jeep and the top. So now that we're done there, we use maybe, I guess, out of a 2-gallon can, use about 1.5 gallons. Next, just a quick demonstration real quick here. This cup is filled of hot water, okay? Here's our gauge right here. That's the coated side. Let's turn it to the part that's not coated, and you can see the temperature difference there. Okay, that's how much of a difference it's gonna make in your vehicle. Also available through Lizard Skin is the sound deadening spray. This will actually help you out, quiet down your car on the inside. So this is a regular bell. Okay, this is a bell coated with the sound deadening solution. So that's also available through Vintage Air. So if you have any questions, get with our sales guys and they'll hook you up. Once again, from Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool. If you need any parts for your system, make sure you call our sales guys. They're very knowledgeable and can help you out. And if you have any problems with your installation, make sure you call our tech team.